Part 2 of Say Less is very similar to part 1, but instead of playing the bass line, 3, 6, 8, 1, 3, you play a power chord, which has the bass note in it, but also a second note. So this chord diagram, here's the layout, strings and frets. You notice how it has the same shape. It's on string 6 and string 5. And that shape moves to every one. 3rd fret, 6th fret, 8th fret, 1st fret. And all you play are these 2 bass strings together with one movement. Play with your thumb, you can play with the pick. There's fret 6, here's 8, here's 1, and then back to 3. All right, let's try that with the audio at the tempo of 72 beats per minute.
Chords.
3, 6, 8, 1, 3. Nice and steady. Keep practicing, keep it steady. Here's go 6, 8, 1, 3. Once you have this part at the slow tempo, you can move on to the fast tempo on the next lesson. Keep practicing.